Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Totally Tara here with another planner video. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me for February 10th to the 16th, so stay tuned. If you have not already, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with me and the things that I have going on over here on this channel. Okay, so I'm just showing you my sticker packs. I've decided I'm just going to continue using these sticker packs until they run out because sticker packs can actually run you about $20 a pack if they're not on sale, and usually if they're on sale they're probably about $13 a pack. So I can't really justify buying sticker packs on sticker packs even though there are some that I want to get. I'm just going to use these until I cannot use them anymore. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my Recollections washi that says Hello Beautiful, just to kind of keep it in the whole Valentine's week thing. This spread is going to kind of have love and all that stuff in it. I'm also going to be using washi from this 52 pack. You'll see me later on whiting out the black line because this washi is kind of transparent. I think I said that in another video. It's kind of transparent when you use the white one, and it was giving kind of a big dark black line in the middle, so I just went ahead and whited out all of the dark lines, and I'm just going to place the washi in its place. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. I could not for the life of me get this sticker straight, and I couldn't find my ruler, so I just went ahead with a wooden lid that I have for my embroidery thread box, and I just used that to be my straight edge to get this sticker down, and I finally got it down, thank God. So I'm just gonna go in with one of my sticker dolls from the Nubian Rock Chick collection. I did say that I wanted to order more stickers from her, but I wanted to get them in matte. And I did go on to try to order some more, but they don't come in matte. So I am gonna get some glossy stickers, and I'll probably be doing a sticker haul. And I also ordered some washi, so I'll probably be doing a Happy Mail kind of planner haul for that. I won't be buying any more sticker packs, but sticker dolls, I cannot stop. I just love them. I just think they add something to this to the spread, and I just think they're really cute. So I'm just gonna keep on getting these girls, and y'all are just gonna keep on seeing these girls too. Okay, so I'm just adding the sticker in. It says she is a dreamer, a doer, a thinker. She sees possibility everywhere, and I thought that was really cute. I do think that the sticker should have said you are a dreamer, because there are men that actually do plan. Maybe they don't take it to this extreme. I don't know. I don't know what the demographics are as far as scrapbooking, planning, but I think that would have been nice. But I guess they are going for their targeted audience, which is women. But I don't know, just my thoughts. I know I asked this before, but how's 2020 going? I know January was real rough. It was real turbulent. You know, a lot of things were happening in January. Is the ghetto. So, how's it going now that it's February? It's about to be the second week of February. I could be lying, but I think yeah, we're in the second week of February. So, how's it going? I see a lot of people, getting their projects off the ground. I see my friend Martina actually aired her first episode of her talk show. I think it's a talk show. I don't want to call it a talk show and it not really actually be a talk show, but it's a show and they were talking on it. So I guess it's a talk show called The Sit-In. I'm actually going to put a link down below just because I want to make sure I lend whatever kind of support I can to my friend. Even though I don't get no views over here, every little bit helps, right? But she did talk to some Black creatives, and it was nice to see how they overcame a couple of hurdles and the things that they are going through with, and how they kind of persevered and how they continue to just expand their brand and things like that. So if you're interested, even if you're not interested, because I'm rude. So even if you're not interested, go over there and watch the video, give it a like, give it a comment, do whatever you got to do, and support my friend. And I'm really, really proud of her. And yeah, I think that a lot of you guys would probably like it, enjoy it. Let me tell y'all about these to-do stickers. I put these to-do stickers every week. Do I get everything done on the to-do sticker list? Absolutely not. Some stuff is for work, and then some stuff is usually for personal use. But I don't get everything done. But the good thing about having the to-do sticker, or just a tracker or note sticker or something, is because it keeps you on track somewhat. Because you will know what you did, and you can see what you didn't do, and you can kind of think about, well, why didn't I get this done? And then it'll help you move forward for the next week. So while I do fill in those little bubbles, I don't always get everything done, and I just carry it over to the next week. So a lot of times I'll have my to-do sticker, and then the stuff that I didn't do the week prior, I'll put it in the long notes section, so I can know, like, look girl, you did not do this when you're supposed to. So make sure you get it done this week. And that's how I kind of keep myself on track. So do you guys have any plans for Valentine's Day? I know it's coming up. I kind of have plans, but not really. I really don't want to do anything, but someone is asking me to do stuff, so we'll probably go and just grab a bite to eat. Valentine's Day for me isn't really a big deal. I'd rather be given everything for my birthday, because then I'll be the only one, right? Everybody gets something on Valentine's Day, so is it really like a huge thing? Not really for me. But for some people, it is a big deal. So, I guess. are nearing the end of the video, and I really do love how this spread came out. Everything sort of came together, and I'm very, very, very happy with it. It's super, super cute. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, you know what to do. Bye. See you soon.